Hi, welcome to the PM tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about different types of armature winding like lap winding and wave winding. Here we will see some details. The armature winding is the most important part of the rotating machine. It is the place where energy conversion takes place, like mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy and electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. The armature winding is mainly classified into types. The first one is lap winding and second one is wave winding. Here we are going to discuss about lap winding. The construction of lap winding, it is like the conductors are joined in such a way that their parallel paths and poles are equal in numbers. The end of armature coil is connected to the adjacent segment on the commutator. The number of brushes in the lap winding is equal to the number of parallel paths. These brushes are equally divided into negative and positive polarity. Here in this figure you can see there are few advantages of the lap winding, like this type of winding is necessarily required for large current application because it has more parallel paths. It is suitable for low voltage and high current generators. We will also see some disadvantages of lap winding, like it gives less EMF, electromotive force, compared to wave winding. This winding requires more numbers of conductors for giving the same EMF. It results high winding cost. It has less efficient utilization of space in the armature slots. We will discuss about the types of lap winding. Here are given simplex lap windings and duplex lap windings. We will discuss simplex lap winding. In simplex lap winding, the terminating end of the one coil is joined to the commutator segment and the starting end of the next coil is placed under the same pole. The number of parallel paths is similar to the number of poles of the windings. In this figure, you can see now duplex lap winding. In duplex lap winding, the number of parallel paths between the pole is twice the number of poles. The duplex lap winding is mainly used for heavy current applications. Such type of winding is obtained by placing the two similar windings on the same armature and connecting the even number commutator bars to the one winding and the odd number to the second winding. Here in this figure, it is given here. Now the second part of the armature winding is wave winding. What is wave winding? In wave winding, only two parallel paths are provided between the positive and negative brushes. The finishing end of the one armature coil is connected to the starting end of the other armature coil commutator segment at same distance. In this winding, the conductors are connected to two parallel paths irrespective of number of poles of the machine. The figure has been given here. This is the example of V winding. Types of V winding. If after passing one round the armature winding falls into the slots to the left of the initial point, then this type of winding is said to be retrogressive windings. Here in this figure you can see this is the example of retrogressive winding. Next, progressive windings. If the armature windings fall on the slots to the right, then it is called the progressive windings. Here, this is the example of progressive winding. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, the PM Tutorials. Thank you.